Question is given 13 power 5 plus 13 power 4 plus 13 power 3 plus 13 power 2 plus 13 power 1 plus 13 power 0 is equal to what? So we have to find out the value of this term. How we can find out the value of this? Let's see solution. 13 power 5 plus 13 power 4 plus 13 power 3 plus 13 power 2 plus 13 power 1 plus 13 power 0. This is question is equal to. Now we can do here in power like some changes. So 13 power 5. This power 5 we can write 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 that is 5 plus 13 power 4 plus 13 power 3. This power 3 we can write 2 plus 1. So 13 power 2 plus 1 plus 13 power 2 plus 13 power 1 plus 13 power 0. Now is equal to, we know one formula, that is a power m plus n is equal to, we can write a power m times a power n. So using this formula here we will get is equal to 13 power 4 times 13 power 1 plus 13 power 4 this term plus again same here 13 power 2 plus 1 is 13 power 2 times 13 power 1. So 13 power 2 times 13 power 1 plus 13 power 1. So 13 power 1 is 13 plus 13 power 0. 13 power 0 is 1. Power of 0 of any number, that is 1. So it will become 1. Now 13 power 4 and here also 13 power 4. So we can take common 13 power 4 here. So 13 power 4 we are taking common. So left term, that is 13 power 1 plus 1 plus here you can see 13 power 2, 13 power 1 and here 13. So we can take common here 13, right? So when we are taking common 13 here, we will get 13 power 2. Then we will get here, so 13 power 2 and here you can see 13 power 2 times 13 power 1 plus 13 power 2. This will 13 power 2 plus 13 power 1, that is 13 plus 13 power 0, that is 1. Now you can see here 13 power 2 times 13 power 1 and here 13 power 2. So we can take common here 13 power 2. Left term, that is 13 power 1 plus 1 plus 13 power 1, that is 13 plus 1, right? Now is equal to 13 power 4 times 13 power 1 is 13 plus 1, that is 14. So 14 plus 13 power 2 times, again here 13 power 1 is 13 plus 1 is 14. So 14 plus 13 plus 1 is 14, right? Now you can see here 14, 14, 14. So we can take common 14 here. So we are taking common 14 here. So 14 we are taking common. So left term, that is 13 power 4 plus 13 power 2 plus 1, right? Now is equal to 14 times, now this is 13 power 4. So this 13 power 4 we can write 13 power 2 times 13 power 2. So 13 power 2 times 13 power 2 plus 13 power 2 plus 1. Now is equal to, we can write this 14 times 13 power 2. 13 power 2 is 169 times 13 square plus 13 square plus 1, right? Now is equal to 14 times, now we can write this 169 times 169 plus here this is 13 square is also 169 plus 1. Now is equal to 14 times, now we can take common here 169. So 169 when we are taking common, so left term, that is 169 here. So 169 plus 1, right? 169 plus 1, 169 plus 1 and this plus 1. So plus 1 is equal to 14 times, now here 169. So 169 times 170. So this will become 170. 169 plus 1 is 170 plus 1 is equal to, now is equal to 14 times. Now this 169 we can write 100 100 plus 60 plus 9. So this will become 169 plus 170 plus 1, right? Now is equal to 14 times. Now when we are this is not plus here, sorry, this is in multiplication form. So when we are multiplying this term with this term, we will get here 170 times 100, then 17 here and 30, 1 2 30 plus 17 6 102 and here 20 plus 17 9 153 and 10 plus 1 is equal to 14. When we are adding this term, we will get here 28,731, right? Now this 14 we have to multiply with this one. So this 14 we can simplify. So 10 plus 4 times 28731, right? We can write this way. Now is equal to, when we are multiplying this term, so it will become more easier. So 287,310 plus, when we are multiplying this, 4 ones are 4 and here 2 9 again 4 1 1. So is equal to, we can say here 287,310 plus 114,924 is equal to, when we are adding this term, we will get here 402234, and this is the solution. So we can see 13 power 5 plus 13 power 4, 13 power 3 plus 13 square plus 13 power 1 plus 13 power 0 is equal to 402234, and this is the solution. Thank you.